Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we just purchased our first JWPEI bag. This is our first impression about this bag. So sit tight and let's go through it. Alright, so in this video we are gonna unbox this. Before we do that, I just want to mention we ordered this from the JWPEI website. They said it will take around 5 to 20 business days for it to get delivered. I think it actually took around 15 days, and yeah, we are really excited about it. So let's open it and see what's inside. Let's take this lid off. Nice. The bag comes wrapped in this yeah, I would say a good looking dust bag. And then let's actually open this bag and take the bag out. Oh yeah, this is really nice. So we just went with this black bag. We think it's really classy and good looking, and it's going to go well with different dresses. Yeah, overall great condition, looks great. Let's get into the details now. So we went with JWPEI basically because of two factors, I would say. One of them is affordability, and the second one is the minimalist design, which we were really looking forward to. And why JWPEI Lucia? I would say the top reason was the size, and yeah, for our purpose we think most of our stuff would fit in this, including the phone and the other daily items. So yeah, that was the reason for going with this particular bag. Now let's talk about how this bag feels. So yeah, easy to carry, feels right in my hands actually. The leather is vegan leather, and it's really soft, buttery. It has a smooth finish to it. Finishing also seems to be fine. I don't see any loose ends or threads, so that's really good. Before going into further details, I think I should get rid of these. Let's take a closer look at the bag now. So we'll start with the handle. It's really hard, sturdy, feels nice to the touch, and you can also see that they have engravings of the logo on these sides, both sides actually. And you can also see that they have engraving on the buckle, as well as yeah, they do have the branding at the bottom front section as well. Let's see what's inside this bag now, shall we? Okay, let's open it here, and inside we get longer strap. I'm gonna open this and show you guys how it's gonna look like. We have attached the longer strap now, and let's take a closer look at it. Let me bring this closer to you so you can see. It's not really wide, but I think it really matches the size of the bag, so that's great. You can also adjust the height according to your preference. I see there are almost 5 holes. So based on your convenience or your height, you can adjust the size. Yeah, that's about the strap. Now you can see how we have attached the longer strap. Again, look at how they have the engravings on both sides. So really good looking. Let's open and see what it looks like inside. So let me open this again. Okay, you can see it's pretty spacey in here for a smaller bag. And on one side we have a zipped pouch, and the other side there's an open one. There are also these buttons which you can use on the sides to open up the bag, so that gives you a lot of space inside the bag. Yeah. inside this bag they have a polyester lining, and you can also see the JWPEI branding inside the bag as well. Now if you're carrying this bag and you need to put in more items, we would suggest putting a organizer inside it. That way you can keep more of your stuff. Sometimes when we travel, we like to carry our sunglasses in this one. So yeah, you can open the buttons and make this into a bigger bag. So let's see how this looks once you close it. Yeah, and once you close it, you get a different shape. Not sure if you guys like it, but yeah, that's a different way to do it. Carry this bag around. Alright guys, we really hope you like this video, and yeah, we would definitely recommend this bag to anyone who is looking for a small, easy to carry bag and want to hold a lot of your daily use stuff. We think this is the best bag for that. Another color which we were looking into was the red. Yeah, we really like the red, considering the red bags around, you know, we have seen different brands, but this red was really superb. The only reason we didn't go for it was because yeah, you know, this was our first bag. We wanted it to go with almost all of you know, the dresses. If we had some more budget, we would have definitely got the red bag as well. So yeah, that's that for you. Go check out the Lucia bags. And if you are interested in the price, the bag was retailing at $144 Canadian, and we got a slight discount. I think for us it was around $120 or $124, the final price. So yeah, that's everything about this bag. We really look forward to use this in our upcoming trips, and if possible we will share you know, another video about.
If you like it, please subscribe.
That was my wife's voice. Yes, so if you like this video, please do subscribe. We definitely plan to do more videos, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye now.